Listen, I'm gonna be honest. Fair trade, Travis Scott ruined the second half. As for pricing on those jackets, 600, and also the Babe collaboration coming up in October, not looking too good. Well, it has been 3 weeks since CLB came out. We got the OVO NBA collaboration. We've got this insane denim collection as well dropping Friday. And just a lot to talk about. We got some new Nocta shoes. We had the Nocta Golf drop. We got a lot to talk about in today's video, man. There's going to be a lot of unedited, just that raw conversation. Where do we even start? The last time I saw you guys was on the live stream, and that was lit. We had over 5,000 total views that live, so shout out to everyone who pulled up. That was awesome. And oh yeah, we also had the drop on Drake related, which was out of nowhere. I actually managed to grab one of the hoodies on there, which I will show you guys when it comes in, and I'll show you the one I got. But let's slow down. Let's first talk about the NBA collaboration. First of all, came out of nowhere to start the NBA season. We got the Raptors, Lakers, Bulls, Boston, Miami, and New York. And in my opinion, the hardest jacket is the Lakers. I mean, the back with the purple and the OVO runner logo with the flames just looks so good. The least favorite jacket for me is the Raptors. I mean, we've seen OVO Raptors so many times, so it's pretty boring for us. Second up though, I think the Chicago Bulls with the horns in the owl on the hat as well is just so sick. And whoever did the designs for this drop specifically, great drop. Bravo, hands off to you. I'm not too sure how I feel about the owl being on the sleeve, but overall the back and the front of the jackets are so well done. That's my favorite OVO crest that they do for the varsities. I have a couple with that one, and it is honestly the best. As for pricing on those jackets, $668, which is pretty hefty. I don't think there's much leather on them, so I don't know where they're getting that crazy price tag from. But let me know if you guys are copying those varsity jackets. The hats I think are $68 and a lot cheaper than the varsities. They are new era fitteds. And the Knicks one is sick, and I think the Bulls again with the horns. For me, all of the fitteds, doesn't matter, the Chicago Bulls, the Lakers, all the fitteds are so nice. The Knicks as well. I don't know which fitted I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna have to get one though. Might have to be the Lakers. The purple and yellow with the design in the owl wing is just so sick. And we're not just getting those two things, we're getting crew necks. T-shirts are $58. We got pants, the purple pants. You guys saw the photo of those, look so sick. Again, if you got the money, you're gonna have to pay because they are gonna be pricey. Even the Reds, even the Boston hat is so sick with the clover in there. And shorts as well. I'm just looking at the photos on my laptop. Super well done from OVO's part with having the rappers from each city as well. Draco the Ruler, Chief Keef, Bobby, just executed very well, but it came really quick. Within 3 days, the drop is happening tomorrow, which is crazy. So if you are watching this when it does come out, let me know what you guys ended up copying in the description down below. But it's going to be available Wednesday, September 29th at 12 p.m. EST on OVO's website. And Real Sports is apparently getting it too. If you're in Toronto, so check their Instagram page. Not too sure when they're getting it. Moving on, we got the Drake related drop. He completely updated the site, and when you go to the bedroom is where you can see the El Chico Studios Hidden Hills hoodies, and I managed to grab the black one. They were $120 US, which is way more expensive than the CLB, but the full double H embroidery, I'm very excited to get it. It sold out very fast. I'm curious to see what the prices are going to be pulling. But the hoodie is insanely hard. We've seen Drake wear a sample of this one before. I'll pull up the photo right there. And finally we got a release on it. Very cool. And we got a full restock plus some of the CLB merch. So we got the navy and the white. I'm sure some of you guys out there copped. Good to see a restock on that, honestly. Who cares about the resale prices or anything like that? Get the merch while you can. I'm still wearing the black hoodie. I didn't cop any of the CLB merch though because I had two hoodies. I didn't need a navy one or a white one, but I am curious to see how that white one looks in person. So let me know if you copped the Hidden Hills hoodie or the CLB merch down below. I'm curious to see what you picked up. Moving right along, we had the Nocta Golf drop as well. This was pretty popping month for Drake and OVO, but the Nocta Golf wasn't it for me. I'm not a golfer, so it didn't make sense for me to pick up. Even to wear the merch as like an everyday sort of thing just wasn't it. And the prices were like way too expensive $200 for the jacket. The green pullover was kind of cool. The hat was kind of cool. But other than that, just wasn't it for me. But if you are a golfer and you do wear golf merch, this was probably really good for you guys. And that's about it from the Knock to Drop side of things. Just want to come on here and chat to you guys about what a month it's been. My top 3 songs on CLB, probably going to have to be Pipe Down, End Too Deep, and let's see. I don't know. I think we might have to go. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. Fair Trade, Travis Scott ruined the second half. Hey, you might have to flame me in the comments, but Travis Scott, I don't know. Same with, actually no, Lil Baby did a good job. My top 3, Pipe Down, End Too Deep, I Miss You Too. Those songs are fucking slappers. Oh yeah, and also quickly, the denim stuff is dropping apparently on Friday. The black denim pants are like so fire. So are the light wash as well. So very excited to see that. Same with the jackets. Might have to pick some up. We'll see if I cop anything. I'm gonna get a review for you guys. You already know. Also, the Babe collaboration coming up in October. Not looking too good. Not looking too good at all. Shout out to everyone who pulled up to the video today. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.